Hi friends, we are going to talk about letter. What's that letter? Does anybody know? S. S. S makes the sound. Can you try? Sound. And it looks like this with your fans. S. S. So let's look at some things that start with the letter S. What's this blue thing right here? Stitch. Stitch starts with the letter S. Stitch. Stitch. Let's see what else. Scuttle the seagull. Both of those things start with letter S. See? Seagull. Seagull starts with letter S. Sun. Sun starts with letter S. Good. Sun. Let's see what else. What are those? What are those called? Socks. Socks start with letter S. And where do you put socks? Do you put them on your hands? No. Do you put them on your head? No. Do you put them on your feet? Yes, you put socks on your feet. Socks. Socks. Socks starts with letter S. What's that? That's right, a snake. Snake starts with letter S. Snake. All right, let's see if we can find letter S. Right here. This is letter S. S. Good job. Letter S. Can you make a letter S? S. All right. Which one's letter S? This one or this one? Let's see. This one. This one is letter S. S. Good job. What about here? Is this one letter S or is this one letter S? Which one? Yeah, this one's letter S. Good job, friends. Letter S right here. Okay, let's see what's next. We have this letter, and this letter. Which one's letter S? This one in the middle. This one's S. This one's an H, and this one's an L. So this one is the S. Good job. What about this one? This one's a little tricky. This one, or this one. Where's the S? Right there, that one. That one's letter S. Good job. Whoop, that one you have for free. There's letter S right there. Letter S over here. All right, we'll try this one. This one, this one, this one, or this one. Which one? This is our last one, and then we're all done. So make sure to find it. Look really hard. Put your binoculars on. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Let's see. Right here. This one's letter S. It's squiggly like a snake. That's right. Letter S right here. All right, friends. That was our letter S. I want you to keep practicing. I want you to see if you can find things in your house that start with letter S. Practice writing it in the air. You can practice writing it with markers. Practice writing it in the sand or when you're in the shower with Daddy's shaving cream. Things like that, okay? So keep practicing and keep trying to find those letters. Good job. Bye.